Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys, and thank you so much to YAYOGE for sending me this amazing, absolutely amazing polygel kit. Here I'm just going to be going through and showing you everything this kit brings. I have never ever received a polygel kit where it brings this amount of things. You just can't go wrong with it. It has so much things that it comes with, which just makes it so much better. I absolutely loved the kit. The polygel was great quality. I have no complaints. So you get a really good amount of polygel colors. This is a nude kit along with so many other goodies. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be back when I begin this tutorial. I hope you all are ready to see how many goodies this polygel kit brings. I was in shock. I thought they brought me extra things, to show on the video, but no, it actually all came in the polygel kit, so that's amazing. And you just can't go wrong. I will have a coupon code and everything if you guys are interested in purchasing it for yourselves. And by the way, I absolutely loved these glitters. There's some mixed glitters, and I just love glitters, especially when they're mixed. This kit even comes with its own mini nail lamp, which is always a plus. You can never go wrong with these miniature nail lamps. They are so convenient. So yeah, I hope you guys liked everything it came with as much as I did, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. These are what the colors look like after they've been cured. So now I'm just gonna grab the buffer and remove the shine from all the nails. I did place on my Beetles full cover nail tips off camera. I will have that nail prep in-depth tutorial coming very soon. Don't think I forgot about it. I definitely did it. I just have a lot of videos that I have to film for you guys, so I'm very excited to show you what's to come on this channel. So now I'm just taking the nail file that this kit came with and just shaping out the nails a little bit better and removing the tabs. Now I will be going in with the base coat and applying it to all the nails and just curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. As my slip solution today, I will be using the nail liquid that it came with. So I am just showing you guys me pouring it into a container. So I will start off by using the nude pink, and I'm just gonna grab some of the slip solution and just gently start going and molding the nail around the cuticle area all the way to the tip of the nail. Remember, the better it is shaped when you're applying it through this method, the easier it will be when you are going down to filing and shaping the nails. One thing that I noticed about this polygel, it's very smooth and easy to work with, great for beginners or anybody in general. As you guys can see, when you coordinate it with the slip solution onto the polygel, it just works hand on hand with one another. So I really like that. So here, honestly, I didn't know what I wanted to do with this tutorial. I didn't know what nail design I wanted to create. I just went with the flow, and whatever looked cute and appealing to my eye, I just decided to go with it. So now I'm going to begin applying my glitters and along with some hearts that I had. And yeah guys, this was a really fun tutorial to create for you guys. Let me know if this happens to you guys when those who create YouTube content. I don't know why every time I'm doing my voiceover, the fan of my computer decides to turn on and it just kind of like interferes with the audio for some reason, because my mic does catch everything. I don't know how to stop that, so I'm sorry if you hear the fan of my laptop. But yeah, here I'm just applying the glitters along with these beautiful hearts that I had. I was trying to go for a Valentine's theme. I don't know really if that was a theme that, you know, really made sense with it, but that's why I incorporated the hearts. So yeah, thus far I really like this polygel kit. It just comes with so much stuff. Like, I love polygel kits that come with the most. Like, whether it's little decals and nail stickers, it doesn't matter, but I love when it has and comes with extra goodies. But yeah guys, so now I'm just moving on to the next nail, and I will just be repeating this process. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video and would like to see many more tutorials to come. So yeah, thank you so much for all the love and support, and to all my lovely subscribers, or to anyone who watches my content. And by the way guys, I will be having an in-depth nail prep tutorial. I have not forgotten about that. I'm very excited to create it for you guys. I just have so much content that I have to create that it's a bit overwhelming, but I will get to it. Just thank you for everyone, you know, for sticking around and being patient. I know I don't upload as constantly as I used to. But yeah, thank you so much for just keeping up with me and supporting my channel. It means the absolute world to me. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you are interested in purchasing this polygel kit. And by the way guys, I do create and sell my own press-on nails. I will have the link down below to my Etsy shop if you guys are interested in supporting my business. I'm so excited about it and I'm so happy, and thank you for everyone who has purchased some of the press-on nails created by me. It means a lot to me. So yes guys, thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And by the way guys, for this particular tutorial, I didn't encapsulate every nail with clear coat. I just put on top coat on all the nails except for this ring finger right here that you guys see. I did encapsulate that one, but the rest I didn't. You could always, if you don't feel like encapsulating it with clear polygel, which I'm gonna be honest, I do not like doing, because I don't know, I just don't like doing it. You could always replace it with a couple coats of top coat. The last and final step, the cuticle oil. This cuticle oil was definitely very moisturizing, so I definitely appreciate a moisturizing cuticle oil. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, much love. Till next time.